Inshallah, this is the trigonometric MSET part 1. I request to the students that we must be perfect through the formulas. In my playlist, you go for the inter first year trigonometry. The first part, second part, and third part consist of detailed formulas of all the compound angles, trigonometric equations, and multiple submultiples and transformations. If you already know it, no problem. Otherwise, I request first to watch all that videos. You remember that formulas, memorize the formulas. You can only you can understand the subject. Now see here, I am starting with the first question, and see here, what is the value of A 35, B 15, C 40? Don't go to substitute the values because we don't know these values. So what is the formula? What is the question? Tan A, tan B plus tan B, tan C plus tan C, tan equals to dash. Now watch this. If you add this, this will become 90. 35 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus C, 6, 50 plus is, so we can take like this. A plus B plus C equals to 90 degrees. A plus B plus C equals to 90 degrees. Bring this C here. You can write like this. A plus B equals to 90 minus C. Now we want in terms of tan. So we apply tan on both sides. Tan on both sides. If you apply tan here, it will be tan A plus B. So tan A plus B will be, we know the formula, tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now see here, if you apply here tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So this will become cot C. We can write cot C as 1 by tan C. We can write cot C as 1 by tan C. Now you cross multiply, you'll get the answer. You cross multiply here, it will become tan A tan C plus tan B tan C equals to 1 minus tan A tan B. Now bring this here, you write otherwise. So this will be tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A equals to 1. So this is the required answer. Now you see the question, next question. If theta lies in first quadrant and tan phi tan theta equals to 4, that means what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta will be 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Now the question is phi sin theta minus 3 cos theta by sin theta plus 2. Watch carefully. We know tan means sin by cos. So divide each term by cos. You will get in terms of tan phi sin theta by cos theta, cos theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta, cos theta by cos theta. So it is changed into tan. Cos will get cancelled, equals to 5 into sin by cos is tan theta. Tan theta is 4 by 5 minus 3 by tan theta. Tan theta is 4 by 5 plus 2. Here is 2 left, here is 3 left. Now cancel this 5 5. So this will be 4 minus 3 is 1 by 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 is 14 by 5. Bring this in the numerator, it will be 5 by 14. This will be 5 by 14. So this is the answer, 5 by 14. Now you see the next question. Before going to the next question, we know tan theta into cot theta is 1. And cot theta can be written as tan 90 minus theta. And we also know tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Now watch this question. Tan 80 minus tan 10. We don't have any values of 80, 10 or 70. But we can write like this. 80 minus 10 equals to 70. 80 minus 10 equals to 70. Now you apply tan here. Suppose this is A, this is B. If you apply both sides tan, this will be tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B tan B, sorry, tan 10 equals to tan 70. What we did, we applied tan on both sides. Now watch carefully, we can change this tan 80 into tan 10. Tan 80 into this tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. So this is 80. tan 80 into cot 80. Now tan 80 into cot 80 will be 1. So this is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. Bring this 2 here. So this will be tan 80 minus tan 10 equals to 2 tan 70. Bring this 70 here. So this will be tan 80 minus tan 10 divided by tan 70 equals to what is left here, 2. Now see the next question. Before going to the next question, we know the formula of tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. Tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square. Now what's this? This is the direct formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So this will be tan a minus b, tan a minus b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b is tan a minus b. So this is tan 20 degrees. Tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. So this is cot 70. I'm writing in terms of tan. We can write like this, 1 by tan 70 can be written as 2 into 35. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. 70 we can write 2 into 35. Suppose this as a. So this will become 1 by tan 2a. So 1 divided by tan 2a is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. 1 minus tan square. This will come in the numerator. But tan 35 is given as k. So if you bring this in the numerator, this will be 1 minus k square divided by 2k. 1 minus k square divided by 2k. Now you see the next question. If theta is acute and a first quadrant and tan theta equals to 1 by root 7, then the value of, you see here, cosec square theta, you can write like 1 plus cot square theta. In the same way, secant square theta, this is 1 plus tan square theta. These are the ratios, trigonometric ratios. So let me change this. Cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta minus secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta divided by cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta plus secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. You see here, minus into plus minus 1, this minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. Cot square theta, what is given here, tan theta equals to 1 by root 7. So cot theta, it's inverse root 7. So cot square theta means 7, minus into plus minus, tan square means 1 by 7. You square it, tan square is 1 by 7, cot square is 7, 1 plus 1 2, plus cot square is 7, plus 1 by 7. So let me solve this one. 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49, minus 1, 48 by 7. Now see here, 7 plus 2 9, 7 plus 2 9, 7 nines are 63, plus 1 64, 64 by 7, 7 7 get cancelled. I think this is the table of 16, 16 threes are 16 fours, 16 threes are 16 fours. This is 3 by 4. So this is the answer, 3 by 4. Since today is the first part, first, second, third part, let we go through easy questions, okay? Previous exam questions. Then we can do the typical questions also. First, when we get the base, inshallah, then we can go for the difficult questions. Now see here, same question, 5x, 3x, 2x, we can't have any formulas. You know, this is 5x minus 3x can be written as 2x. Now apply tan on both sides, this will be tan a minus b. Tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b equals to tan 2x. Now cross multiply this one. So this will become tan 5x minus tan 3x equals to 1 into tan 2x plus tan 2x tan 3x tan 5x. Now bring this here, we'll get the answer. Tan 5x minus tan 3x minus tan 2x. So what you'll get? So this is the answer. Now you see the next question. Tan theta plus cot theta equals to 2. Just watch carefully. No need to solve everything. Can you say which value satisfied 2? Very easy. 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Tan 45 1, cot 45 1. Therefore, let me take theta equals to 45 degrees because only one value and 45. We don't go for the third quadrant like that. Theta equals to 45 degrees. Therefore, sine theta is the question. So sine theta is 45 degrees. So sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. So this is the answer. Now you see the next question. If cos alpha plus beta equals to 4 by 5, sine alpha minus beta equals to 4 by 5, and alpha comma beta lies between 0 and 45. That means alpha plus beta is less than 90. That is first quadrant. Both are in first quadrant. Then tan alpha 2 alpha equals to dash. Watch carefully. See here, cos alpha plus beta equals to 4 by 5. We know the basics. Let us take this alpha plus beta. This is suppose alpha plus beta. Then cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So we have to find opposite. We know Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Bring this 4 square, 25 minus 16 is 9. Root 9 is 3. So opposite equals to 3. In the same way, here also the same condition. No? Now here sine, sorry, we did wrong. No? Yes. Here is alpha minus beta, sine is given. Sine is opposite by adjacent. Sorry, opposite by hypotenuse. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. This is opposite. So what is left here? It will be 3. Now what is the question? Watch carefully. What is the question? Tan 2 alpha. We can write like this. Watch carefully. Tan of alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. If you add minus alpha beta plus beta, cancel alpha plus alpha 2 alpha. So suppose this as A, this is as B. So we'll get the formula of tan A plus B. So tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now let us solve this one. Tan alpha plus beta from this tan is opposite by adjacent. 3 by 4 plus tan B from here 4 by 3 divided by 1 minus tan alpha plus beta. Sorry brother, this question is wrong actually. What is the actual question? I will just write this is 5 by 13 actually. This is 5 by 13 because here infinity is coming. So this will be 5 by 13. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. This is opposite, this is hypotenuse. This will be 12. So tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B. 5 by 13, no? 5 by 12. Tan A is right. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. So let we take the LCM here. If we take LCM, it will be 48, no? 12 fours are 48. I am taking LCM 48. 3 threes are 3 12 3 13 3 12s are 36 plus 20. 36 plus 20 is 56. Now if you take LCM, 48 minus 13 is 33. 33 by 48. So 48 cancel. What is left here? 56 by 33. So this is the answer. Actually I wrote the question wrong, okay, because if we take that 4 by 5, this will become infinity. Here if you multiply, it will get at infinity. So infinity is not possible. Therefore I checked the question was wrong. So actual question is cos alpha plus beta equals to 4 by 5 sin alpha minus beta equals to. We already know this is the very basics from the SSC. When we know the two sides and we want the third side, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Also we have to by heart these values 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 15, 17, 8 like that few values we can by heart it, okay. Now see here what is the next question. Question is given like this: cos theta minus 4 sin theta equals to 1. What is the question? We have to find sine theta plus 4 cos theta. Let me suppose this as k. Okay. Y means if you square and add, plus 2ab minus 2ab will get cancelled, we get the value of k. So what we have to do, square and add. Okay. Now square this one, a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 2 4 are 8 sine theta cos theta plus, now square this one, a square means sine square theta plus b square is 16 cos square theta plus 2 2 4 are 8 sine theta cos theta equals to 1 square plus k square. So what we did here, we have square and add, plus 8 sin theta minus cancel. Now see here, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 plus 16 into, you take common 16 from this 2, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 equals to 1 plus k square. If you square, take out the square, you will get plus or minus k equals to plus or minus root 16 plus or minus root, sorry, plus or minus 4. So these are the easy questions today we are going here. Now you see what is the next concept. You see here, we know 1 minus cos A is 2, 1 minus cos A is 2 sin square A by 2, 1 plus cos A is 2 cos square A by 2, and tan A is 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square. Now let we use the formula x equals to under root of 1 minus cos A is 2 sin square A by 2, 2 cos square A by 2, 2 will get cancelled, sin by cos is tan square, square root will get cancelled, left with tan theta by 2. So what we have to find? We have to find 2 tan theta by 2, 2x, x is this, by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Now this is the formula like this, 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square by 2 is tan A. So this will be tan theta. So today Alhamdulillah we have done the few small questions which are previous exam questions. Inshallah next class we'll continue with these questions inshallah. I will try to put the links of the basic formulas of trigonometry in the description. I like you all to go through that formulas to get the perfection of the formulas. Inshallah we are going to continue in the next class.